Dear students, we are continuing source 2. Last class we stopped in between. We are continuing that one. It chanced that labor about this time the Sarkar sent parties of men and from each regiment to different garrisons for the instruction in the use of new rifles. What they are getting the training, and they are sending some people from each and every group. They are sending some people to get that training purpose. Then these men performed the new drill for some time until a report got about by some means or the other, and that cartridge used for these new rifle were greased with a fat of cow and pig. They used the new rifle, and inside when they are using that bullets, the cartridge what they are using in the gun rifles, that was with greased one. And what was the information passing through the people? It is the fat of the cows and pigs. And we are think about the religious practices of India. The cows, it is a sacred animal for Hindus, and pigs are the hatred animal, means they won't use or they won't speak that name also. The Muslims, they won't speak and they won't eat. It is a curse for them. Okay, so both religion, they are getting trouble because of the greasing of the cartridge. The men from our regiment wrote to others in the regiment, telling them about this, and there was soon excitement in every regiment. Some of the people, those who got chance to practice it, they are taken for training. They informed other people of the regiment that this is going on. So the people of the other regiments, they are getting excited, and knowingly or unknowingly they will think like that, it is totally against to our own religion. Some men pointed out that it is 40 years service, nothing and had ever been done by the Sarkar to insult the religion. But as I have already mentioned, the Shipai's mind had been inflamed by the seizures of oath, and when they are becoming the police or army, they are making one oath, and in that they are saying like that they will work for the government, or they will work for the country, like that. And it is now even though they said like all these things, but because of touching the religion, totally against their religion, so they are feeling somewhat, or they are started to think in a different way. Interested parties were quick to point out that the great aim of the English was to turn us all into Christian. What they said like that, they are thinking like that, British people, they are trying to make all people into Christianity, like that. Other religion, Hindu and Muslim religious people started to think, and they started to discuss. And they had therefore introduced the cartridge in order to bring this about, since both Mohammedan and Hindu would be defiled by using it. The Hindu soldiers as well as the Muslim soldiers, they was not ready to use the cartridge what they brought newly, these cartridge. The Colonel Sahib was in the opposition, that the excitement which even he could not fail to see would pass off as it had done before, and recommended me to go to my home. Then they say they have taken the means the many people, they asked for getting permission to take leave and like that, and they some of them said like that, we are resigning and going. And what the government done, some of them, they got chance to go back. And this is the one of Sitaram Pandey's experience, his own experience, because of the development or emergence of new cartridge with grease. And that grease that was not known to us that time, so we thought it is the fat of pigs and cows. Okay, then we are moving to next part. A mutiny became a popular rebellion. Though struggle between rulers and the ruled are not unusual, sometimes such a struggle become quite widespread as a popular resistance so that the power of the state breaks down. And normally it is, if you are thinking about we are in the classroom, we are who is the prefect and who is the monitor of the class, we usually making like that some struggle or giving some trouble to the leaders, or leaders are giving trouble to the classmates, and that is quite natural everywhere. But sometimes that one is becoming more widespread one, not only in small 2 or 3 person they are getting the problem with the prefect. Instead of that, all class total class, if it is getting problem, then knowingly or unknowingly we will take, or we are getting that compulsion to take that part into that matter into our class teacher or subject teachers. So then what will happen, there may be a change of authority in the classroom, or change of prefect in the classroom, or all students may get some scolding, like that. In both way it may happen. So what will happen, the administration of the state or the governance of the state will breaks, it will be collapsed for some time. Then somebody will come and help, maybe class teacher or coordinators, they will come and help us to solve that problem, maybe changing of the prefect or changing our helping us to change our attitude, like that. A very large number of people begin to believe that they have a common enemy and rise up against the enemy at the same time. So because of these reasons, the payment of the Shipais, then the new cadres and the life conditions, they are not getting proper leaves, like that. All the conditions, because of that, all the people, are very large number, more than half group of the people, they started to think like that we are having only one common enemy, so we want to work against them. For such a situation to develop, people have to organize. So if we want to work against an enemy who is more powerful than us, then what we should do, we should organize, and we should communicate, and we should take some of the initiative, display the we want to show our confidence to. Okay, so we should learn how to organize things, how to communicate with others, how to take initiative, how to display our confidence. Even as a 8th standard student, when we are getting chance to organize something, we should go make that organization skills, communication skills, and taking initiative. Maybe it become the wrong thing or mistake. That mistakes itself, it is a proof that you are taking some of the initiatives, you are trying, keep on trying, like that. And if you failed 10 times, means from that we can understand, you can analyze yourself, like that you are trying, that's why you are becoming failure. Again try and try, like that, again and again. If you are practicing, one day we will become the perfect one, we will become successful. Then for all these things, organization, communication and initiative, we need a basic confidence in us, then we should able to display in front of others. So in this lesson, the government is asking to us, or NCERT is asking to us, or CBSE saying to us, like that we should improve our organization skill, then communication skill, and we should able to take initiative, we should have confidence, and we should able to display that one. So the skills what we want to learn from this lesson, organizing things. For organizing, we want to plan things, we want to make the plan, in that planning should be there. And when for example, you are going to conduct a special assembly in the school, then for that we want to make a plan, what is our theme, those which students want to participate in that if we can display that through a drama, or through a poem recitation, or doing some mimes, like that. Different active, maybe dance, like that, different things maybe we are going to display. So we want to plan it. The next one, we want to communicate it. If we want to say to our class teacher as well as to principal that we are going to do our special assembly on this particular day, this is our theme, and in this way we are going to present. Then if you are getting surely they will give permission to you people. Then we are going to display our confidence through our programs. Then that is the initiative we are taking to organize and communicate and to display the confidence. So the same thing what our shipais, the little educated people, maybe third standard, fourth standard, educate that much only. Some are just know to write their own name. That time shipais was like that, and that shipais done all these things without getting the proper education. They was able to organize, they was able to communicate, they was able to take the initiative, they was able to show their confidence. Means as a 8th standard student, we have completed 10 years in the school, or 9 years in the school. Means those who have done nursery, we are completed 10 years. Those who are not done nursery, and we are completed 9 years. So and now this is the 11th year you are studying in the school, and after getting this much of education, this many of chances, how much we are trying to display our talents, or how much we are ready to organize something, or how we are communicating, our method of communication, is it proper or not, like that things we want to analyze ourselves. Then we are moving to next part, that we will continue in next video.